Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Business Baron game. To begin, select your starting industry and allocate your initial capital. You might start with $100,000. Next, choose your first product or service to introduce. Familiarize yourself with the game's interface, including your current assets, liabilities, and market data. This foundational step is crucial for setting up your empire. Once your product is chosen, focus on production. Construct factories and secure raw materials, perhaps aiming for a 20% cost reduction. Efficiently manage your supply chain to ensure a consistent flow of resources. Optimize your production lines to maximize output, potentially producing 200 units per hour. Regularly monitor inventory to prevent costly overstocking or missed sales due to shortages. With products ready, it's time for marketing and sales. Develop compelling campaigns to reach your target audience, perhaps investing $10,000 in initial advertising. Set competitive prices, aiming for a 15% profit margin. Expand your distribution network to increase market penetration, reaching new cities or regions. Continuously analyze market trends and consumer feedback to refine your sales strategies and stay ahead. To truly become a baron, focus on expansion and maintaining a competitive edge. Reinvest profits into research and development, perhaps allocating 20% of earnings to innovation. Consider acquiring rival companies to consolidate your market position, aiming for a 60% market share. Diversify into new industries for broader reach and resilience. Always monitor competitors and adapt your strategies to stay dominant.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.